Welcome to Thirumurugan Rajendran's channel, where investing and trading are built on clarity, discipline, and long-term success. If you're a beginner in the stock market, this one video can save you years of confusion and losses. Today, I'm going to show you a clear, practical roadmap, from investing to swing trading to intraday trading, so you can choose the right path without blowing up your capital. This video is for beginners, and also for traders who are already in the market but feel confused, inconsistent, or stressed. If you're looking for shortcuts or guaranteed income, this video is not for you. But if you want clarity, structure, and long-term success, stay till the end. Most beginners don't fail because markets are difficult. They fail because they start at the wrong stage. They jump directly into intraday or options, without understanding risk, psychology, or capital protection. In markets, income is not the first step. First comes skill, then survival, only then income. If you reverse this order, the market will teach you the lesson very expensively. Phase 1 is the investment phase. This is where every beginner must start, no exceptions. Here, your job is simple. Invest in quality stocks or index funds. No leverage, no options, no intraday. Your real learning is observing how markets move during ups and downs. This phase teaches patience, emotional control, and how volatility actually feels. If you can't survive here, you won't survive anywhere else in trading. You don't graduate by time. You graduate by behavior. If you panic sold or constantly check prices, repeat this phase. Phase 2 is swing trading. This is where you learn timing without daily pressure. Notice something important. Even here, investments stay dominant. Swing trading uses only a portion of your capital. Swing trading teaches you discipline. It trains you to respect stop losses and hold trades without micromanaging. If your emotions still control your decisions, do not move ahead. The market doesn't forgive impatience. This is very important. Intraday trading is optional. You don't need intraday trading to become successful in markets. Only those who have discipline, emotional control, and time should even think about intraday. Intraday trading is execution-based. One mistake can erase weeks of effort. That's why rules are non-negotiable. If intraday trading feels exciting, you're gambling. If it feels boring, you're trading professionally. At this stage, you choose your identity. Not everyone needs to become a full-time trader, and that's perfectly fine. Markets reward discipline, not intelligence. Protect your capital, and the market will give you opportunities. On this channel, my goal is not to sell dreams. My goal is to give you structure, clarity, and real market education, the kind I wish I had when I started. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel. I'll be sharing structured trading education, mindset frameworks, and practical market knowledge, step by step.